Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire portable ice maker keeps showing you add water even when there is enough water inside, it is usually a detection or flow issue and not the actual shortage. So in today's video, we will go through the exact fixes that actually work in 2026. So first of all, instead of just filling the tank, you need to watch how the water moves. You can start a machine and listen for the water pump sound. If you don't hear the circulation, the water isn't reaching the system. So in that case, you need to remove or reseat the tank so that it aligns correctly with the intake. Now, even if the tank looks clean, the internal lines may not be. So you need to first of all run deep clean cycle using vinegar or warm water. This is going to clear the buildups inside the pipes that can block the water flow. Now, some of the models use hidden float or detection trigger. So if it gets stuck, that means that the machine thinks there is no water. So in that case, you need to gently shake or tap the unit slightly to free any kind of stuck component, and then you just have to simply restart. Now, sometimes too much water can confuse the system just like too little. So you need to fill only up to the recommended line and not above it. This ensures that the proper detection and the circulation is there. Now you have tried everything and none of the methods are working for you. So in that case, what you can do is you can do system recalibration. In it, you just have to first of all turn off your unit completely. After that, unplug it and leave it as it is for about 5 minutes, and then you just have to plug it back in. Let it run a full cycle without any interruption, and this is going to help the system recalibrate the water detection. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Frigidaire portable ice maker is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.